Hello and welcome to another update video about Kaspa. I haven't covered Kaspa here on YouTube for a while, but it is covered regularly in our gold membership. Signals are sent through. The idea was that it takes a break above the initial resistance at 14.5 cents to indicate that we are going directly higher. At least it is something that we can consider because the price broke above this initial resistance area, which I can now take off the chart. It seems like a sustained break. That still doesn't mean that the white scenario that allows for just one more low is off the table. It's not, because we only have a 3-wave move up so far, but in line with my expectations in the entire sector that we are going higher across the altcoin sector as well. I'm focusing now on the yellow count with white as still another option, because we're still overall printing lower lows and lower highs, but that only since the August top. I mean, overall, this is just a sideways range. The market is respecting my support area, has been respecting my support area since last year, and has really just been ranging for a year. I mean, it's not that interesting, but still expected to form one more high in this cycle, as long as we're holding this support area that's located between 10.6 and 5.8 cents. Reactions happened, and as always, the support area is the place to look for entries, and especially here, the 23.6 FIB level has been respected quite a few times. If we go higher, then it would have to be an ABC structure as far as I can tell, and that's because it's a diagonal, whatever, it's just all of this. It's just a diagonal pattern. Other interpretations are possible, but I see this here as wave 4, which could be complete, with their last low in November. Obviously, that's the invalidation point. And the next upside target is 38.9 cents. I mean, can we stretch any higher? Maybe. But for now, let's see if we get there. That would be a very reasonable next upside target. I'm tracking this as an ABC structure in a wave 5 of an even larger C wave. And with one more high, the wave count will be full. And the A wave itself could turn into an ABC structure. So A, B, C. Now, I haven't specifically labeled that, but this would be it. I can I'll change that to yellow now, because the yellow count shows the direct pathway higher. So very often these A waves are 3-wave movements. It's possible we had an A wave top, B wave pullback, and we go higher now in wave C of A, then this would be an A wave top. Then we can watch for the B wave pullback. But that's a realistic assumption, but don't be so focused on the micro structure. I mean, anybody who's sort of added positions in the support region would now be in profit. The micro count is just gonna mess it all up, because this is just corrective, so it can change, it can morph a lot, but the levels in this case are more important. That's the update about Kaspa. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.